In this section, I will explain you about Synfig Studio. Synfig Studio is a time-based multimedia authoring tool. It is available free at cost. That means we can download it from internet and we can share it with our friends also. Synfig Studio is 2D vector animation software. Synfig stores animation in XML file format. XML means Extensible Markup Language. These files use the file extension .sif in uncompressed form or .sifz in compressed form. And when we start Synfig Studio, you must observe that it does not start in one window. Here in this picture you can see 5 windows are there and we can drag the windows to change its size. The components in the user interface are toolbox, canvas and panel. Here at the left side we can see the toolbox. In the middle it is canvas. At the right side vertical panel. At the bottom it is horizontal panel. And the next one is a black screen that you can see here. This is a black screen. Total 5 windows are there and 3 components are there. 3 components are toolbox, canvas and panels. Now I will explain each in detail. This is the toolbox. Toolbox is the main window. That means when we close the toolbox, we will exit from the application. And this toolbox contains system menu and tools to create and edit our work. And the toolbox window is separated into 3 areas or 3 palettes. First one is the upper palette. Then the next one is middle palette. Next is the lowest palette. In upper palette, the works related to our file can be done. And it consists of 10 options. First option is new. New option is used to create a new file. Then the second option is open. To open an already existing file, we are using the option open. And the next one is save. Save option is used to save a file. Next one, save as. To save the file with another name, we are using the option save as. Fifth option is save all. To save all the open files, we are using save all. Next option is undo. To cancel the last operation. Redo. To redo the previous undo again. Setup. To arrange or organize the files. Next option is about Synfig Studio. If we click on this option, we will get the information about Synfig Studio. And the next one is help. That is, to get help about Synfig Studio, we have to click on help option. These are the 10 options in upper palette. The first option is new. Second option is open, save, save as, save all, undo, redo, setup, about Synfig, then help. This is the middle palette. Middle palette consists of tools. It is useful for creating and manipulating objects. And it has 18 tools. The first one is transform tool, smooth move tool, scale tool, rotate tool, mirror tool, circle tool, rectangle tool, star tool, gradient tool, polygon tool, beeline tool, draw tool, width tool, fill tool, eyedrop tool, text tool, sketch tool, and zoom tool. Total 18 tools are there in middle palette. This is the lowest palette. The lowest palette contains the default settings for the new layers, and it contains foreground color, background color, brush size, reset the color to black and white, blend method, opacity, gradient, and interpolation. In foreground and background color, it creates the fill and outline colors for the object. When we create a layer without outline, then it has only fill color. We can change the color by clicking on fill or outline color. Then brush size sets the size of the line for new outline layers. Blend method sets the blend method here. And here it is composite. We have to change the composite to by layer default. Next is opacity. Opacity controls the layer's visibility. It has two values, 0 and 1. 0 means the layer is invisible and 1 means the layer is visible. Next is gradient. It used by gradient layers as their fill. It sets to a default gradient between the foreground color and background color. That is, it is a mixing up of the colors, mixing up of the foreground color and the background color. Next one is interpolation. Each waypoint has an interpolation setting, and it determines the manner in which the parameter changes. This is the canvas window. When we open a new file or create a new project, we can see this canvas window at the center. Here we can create our animation. In the upper left corner of the canvas window, there is caret. It is a little black triangle, and the name of that black triangle is caret. When we click on this button, a pop-up menu will appear. It contains the Synfig features. This is the timeline. And to the left of this, we can see the number of current frame. This is a workspace. Here we are doing our animation or creating our animation. And at the right side, two buttons are there. Here, two buttons are there. This is lock and unlock button. And it is named as unlock past keyframes. And after that, here one green button is there. That is for animation mode. Now it is of green color. That means the animation mode is disabled. When we click on that, it will become a red color. That means the animation mode is enabled. In Synfig, two panels are there, vertical panel and horizontal panel. Here you can see this is the vertical panel, and the options in vertical panel are, first one is navigator. This is info, palette editor, tool option, history, canvas browser, layers, and groups. These are the options in vertical panel. And then navigator, it shows a thumbnail image of the currently selected canvas. We can also zoom in and move the focus around. Palette editor, it contains colors. We can change the color from here also. This is tool option. The tool option panel shows the options that are specific to the currently selected tool. Then history. It contains the actions that are done while editing the file. And here you can see the checkboxes. Checkboxes means we can select multiple items. And this checkbox is used to disable specific actions without going through the entire action list. Layers panel. The layers panel displays the layers of working canvas. That is, whatever we are drawn in the canvas, the name of that all objects will come under this layer panel. And it allows to manipulate the layers. This is horizontal panel or parameter panel. The parameter panel consists of the properties of the object. That means it shows the currently selected layer parameters. If we select multiple layers, then only the parameters that are common in the selected layers will be displayed here. And this contain 6 options are here in horizontal panel. And the first option is params, children, keyframes, time track, curves, and canvas metadata. And these are the properties of the object. Next topic is about duck. A duck is a handle which is used to control the parameter of the layer. And they come in different color and they have specific meanings also. In the canvas window at the top side, left top side, we can see the ducks. These are the ducks in Synfig Studio. The first one is of green color and it is for the position of the object. We can change the position of the object by dragging the green color duck. Orange color duck, it is for vertices. Yellow color duck is for curves. Blue color duck is for the radius of the circle. We can increase or decrease the size of the radius by dragging the blue color duck. And the dark blue color duck is to change the angle in the star. And ducks are displayed in the work area for all selected layers. We have to drag the duck to change the parameters. For a circle, it has 2 ducks, the green color and the blue color. Green color for the position and blue color for the radius of the circle.